Hi, James Braithwaite here again, just to give you an update on the gardening that I, with help of certain other parties, have been doing. As you can see here, all this ericaceous bark and topsoil has been kindly delivered by the Housing Trust for us to build up the vegetable patches. This is the remains of the old turf that was pulled out of a place so we could build up the vegetable patch without using too much of this stuff, otherwise we'd never get the damn job done. Anyway, if you'd like to come with me. Jeez, it's been back-breaking work, I'll tell you, but hopefully the result will be worth it. Obviously it's not finished yet. Okay, I've got to cut some stuff down and burn it again. As you can see, all the dead foliage in there, but that's not to be too worried about, because I've got an incinerator, as you've seen before on YouTube. So here we are, the incinerator with which I'm going to burn stuff, and if you look in here, these are the leeks that I've put in. See that little flash of green? That's what it is. The leeks. I'm going to put some purple sprouting broccoli in here before. That is Alex's idea, so we can get the good nutrients going from the wood and all that. And these are my runner beans that I've planted after Alex and I. Alex is one of my neighbours, who also shares an interesting garden. As we mounted the soil up on top of that old turf and planted the runner beans in, and I had the canes to do the wigwam, so I'm very happy with that. These beds here, they're going to be done at some later point. I think we're going to have some potatoes in. Well, I hope they're going to have some potatoes in there or something. I'll probably pick some up later. Anyway, that's the sit rep so far, so I shall see you in the next one. Bye!